Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please subscribe, join the family, stay and go. So today's video is going to be a video review on this product. It's called Bond Angel from Brae. I think that is the brand here. This product was not sent for me. I actually purchased this product on Amazon. I purchased 2 boxes of because if you guys notice, I got some highlights on my hair, and when I first I was thinking about getting Plex because I did use Plex before for restore the hair, and works okay. But then I decided to give this product a chance because I like to try new things. And like I say, I bought this with my money. I bought 2 boxes, and this little box cost I think $50 something, 52 or so. And in here you get 3 products. One of them is number 1, what is they called? And what this is this is good for bleach your hair, for doing highlights, or even if you just like curl on your hair. This is good for protector for processed chemicals. So if you're going to do highlights or bleach your hair, or even if you just want to apply your color, this is like an oil that you apply, like 1 little cup of those that come with the measurement in the bleach as you mix before you apply to the hair. What this does is it helps not to damage the hair. So in here you come with, this is a small box, and they come with a 3 little bottle. This one is number 1. It's like bond maker, is protector process chem. It's like actually protect your hair during the chemical process. And what you do is you take 1 little cup of this measurement and mix on the bleach, and they say here the amount of product for what amount of bleach or hair dye you're using. And the reason why I decided to do this review is this product was sent to. I buy this product on Amazon with my own cash. Yes, girl. And I took this to my hairdresser, and I told her how it's supposed to work and how to use. And she used for do my highlighters. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got some highlights. First I got them like a little darker, and as time go we're going to get them a little lighter, you know, because my hair is like, I almost don't have hair. There's no damage now, but you know, you gotta go slow time. And while summer is here, and I just want a little bit of light on my hair, so that's the way to go. So in this little box you come with step number 1. What is step number 1 here? Here, this is step number 1. It's like I don't know if it was oil or whatever it is. Yeah, it's like it's a liquid. Like you mix this on the bleach or on the bleaching powder, or on like the hair color if you dye in your hair, and it's supposed to protect your hair throughout the chemical process. And so I just used this when I went to do my highlighters, and my hairdresser told me that she was impressed because there was no breakage at all, and my hair is so chemically processed. I'm not gonna tell you guys how thin my hair is and how just, you know, keep just hanging there. And she told me that this product did amazing. It didn't damage any of the hair, any of the highlights. So what it comes here, comes that 1 little bottle of that product that I told you guys that you mix on the bleach for highlight or for bleach your hair, or if you color your hair you can too. That protects your hair from damage. And then you have a bondage gel Plex effect. This is bond reconstructor. It's like after you bleach your hair or color whatever, this is like a reconstructor for damaged hair, or you know, any hair that needs love. And this works so good. Normally after when I do highlights on my hair, afterward my hair just like, you know, it's, you can touch and you can feel that it's dry, and you know, because the hair being chemically processed. But after using that thing on the bleach for the highlights and using these for 20 minutes after she was done, my hair is so, I just did it yesterday, and my hair is so soft and so fluffy. It's not even feel like a hair that just been beat up by bleach for highlights. So yeah, so I decided to do this review on this product, and this product you can find on Amazon, and I will gonna go to Amazon, see if I can find the link and put it down for you guys. If you bleach your hair or do highlights, girl, you have to go through this. This is gonna be the best investment that you're going to do for don't damage your hair. And in the little box come step number 1, because you know, you like touch up your highlights every 2 months, I think, or 3, whatever it is. So this little number 2, every time you do that, you're gonna do like a deep condition with this. And for somebody with a lot of hair, I would say that you have a 3 treatment over here, 3 or 4. For me, that I have, you know, a little bit of hair, I probably would have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 or 5 uses of these. And it comes 2 bottles in the box, so I'm good for like 2 months of deep reconstruction the hair that I, you know, supposed to damage throughout the process, but I didn't, because these step number 1 of the bondage, it's so good. So yeah, I decided to do this review of you guys because I tried, and it really helped my hair. I'm gonna put my hair down so you guys can see the highlights. You know, I didn't do the highlights so light because my hair was dark, like off black. So I just want to do them like, I don't know, little reddish, copper or dark, or like lights, like, you know, brown, so the hair doesn't look so creepy. But it did not damage my hair at all, so I am really impressed with that product. And like I told you guys, I was not selling the product. I buy with my money. I buy 2 little boxes, and I'm so glad that I buy 2 boxes because I'm so happy with the outcome of the product. So that's all for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any question about that product, I will going to be looking for the link for the product on Amazon, and I'm gonna link down below for you guys. And yeah, love it, very nice.